Hello, everyone. How are you? All good? I hope you've had a very successful week so far. So today I will be discussing the trade, which today I will be discussing the trade which I've sent in the morning that I'm still waiting for the confirmation of a buy on the GBP USD. I will discuss what's the rationale behind the trade, why I decided on it, and what can we expect from this trade. Okay, so let me start by sharing the screen. So first, as you know, I always like to look at the probabilities. So this is the style of trading that I use. I always look at the probabilities. So this is today a little bit different in the sense that I have this GBP USD gave a sell signal and it reached the two targets, TP1 and TP2. And there is a 20% chance it will reach TP3. What this means for me is that there's an 80% chance it will not reach TP3, which leads us to the trading idea that we should be concentrating. Uh, let's check if I can. I have to mute everyone. It's okay. One second. I have to mute everyone. Okay. Mute all. Mute all. Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry for that. Yeah. So what this means is that we can expect the GBP USD to go up to this level, which is around like the other Donchian channel, and trigger a buy. This is what this means, that there's 80% chance this will fail. It means that it will go to the other side to trigger a buy. So now this other side is around 1.3919. So there's an 80% chance it will reach that stage. Now, the next thing I would do, as always, I would go for the 1 hour chart, and I will be looking for a place where the market does this like this pattern, which means that we have a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle followed by a bullish candle breaking up the high, and this is what we got here. Now we have everything ready, it's in place. Now the third thing that I always do is I will look for a higher low to form. There wasn't a higher low on this candle, on this signal. However, we have a low here which happened, and we can expect that we might have, now we have a low here, a high here, and then if we will get the higher low now, then this will be the signal, because we will have the higher low formed, and then we can expect to have at least this target, the opposite upper Bollinger Band on the 200 Bollinger Band, this one. So it will be around 126 pips. So we will be waiting to see if this can, give us the signal we are waiting for. As soon as we get the buy signal with this is the DWM indicator, which if you are interested in getting it, it's available. I will send you the links. So this is what we are waiting for. We are waiting for just another buy signal. As I told you, these signals, we don't take them like whenever there's a buy, we take a buy. No, these are signals for structure. So we need to have a buy and followed by a sell and followed by a higher buy to signal that the structure is a higher buy, which means a higher low, which means that the market should start to go up. So we are waiting for this now. If we get it, then we will just go in, and the target will be like 130 pips. And this will have a probability of success more than 90% of getting this amount of pips. And as I told you, these are I use these traits and signals and this strategy for triple digit gains. Like when you go very aggressive on them, you can make like 200, 350. You can check the videos on YouTube. Percent I'm talking in this move in one day. So let's wait and see if this will give us the trigger. This is what we want. We want a buy arrow now without breaking the low which happened here. Because if we will get the buy arrow now, we can use, for example, let's suppose it will give us the arrow now. This will be our stop loss. So it will be like this. And then we will have like 127 pips target. So we are talking about a very good risk to reward ratio. Okay. So this is the system. As I said, I will repeat. First, I looked at the probabilities. I found that TP3 has only 19% chance of getting reach, which is this one, which means the opposite is 80%, 81%. So there's 81% of going up. This is enough for me with the probabilities. Now, I look for the 1 hour for smart money levels to look for just a very clear pattern that I always want to see, which is a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle followed by a bullish candle breaking up above the bearish candle, and then a retracement back to the area of the bearish candle, which is here. I mean, this kind of bearish candle usually means that we can expect this to bounce between this and this level, which is this one, like this. Okay, this is what we can expect. So this is what we are expecting. So this will play out only if we get now a bullish arrow. If this will break the low here before the bullish arrow is triggered, this will invalidate and we will have to wait. Okay, this is what it means. So if anybody wants to ask me any questions regarding this, feel free to ask me and I will be happy to answer.
Yeah, is the trade not triggered by that what higher blue arrow on the 15-minute chart?
It hasn't triggered yet. I mean, let me show you. There is no higher blue arrow yet. I mean, this didn't trigger the trade because this wasn't higher than this one.
No, the other one.
This
the
one is not higher because, as you can see, it made a low here. So this low is lower than this low. You know, we have like a lower low, so we don't have a trigger yet. We are waiting for a higher low. The higher low is what we want to see. Now, if we get the arrow now, then we will get the higher low.
Right. Sorry, I thought it was the arrow, but it's a low, isn't it? Yeah.
No. It's like this arrow is only an indication of the low of the pivot. You know, this is the pivot point. So we have to have like this is giving you like an indication that this is the low. We need to have a low now. Then we will have a higher low, and then we can expect the move up to start.
Okay. Thank you.
You are welcome. Any other questions? Anybody would like to ask anything? No questions? Okay, everybody find things clear? Is everything clear for everyone?
Yeah. How can I discuss your managed service that you do? How do we discuss that? Is that on a call or?
We can do that after the call if you want now. We can discuss it. No problems. We can discuss it after the call. Anything? Anybody? Anyone wants to ask anything? Okay, so thank you guys for joining today, and I will be happy to assist you if you need anything. Just send me a email. You have my email, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Okay. So Arlen, I will keep you here, so we will be able to discuss the managed account. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then excellent.
Yeah. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye, guys.
Yeah, hi. Sorry, it's Tony. I'm on my wife's computers. That's why it says, "Arlene, my computer crashed."
No problem. It's fine. Don't worry. It's okay.
Yeah, so how's your managed service work then? And,
yeah, the managed service, it works in a very simple way. You have an account, you open your account with a broker like IC Markets or whoever broker you like, and then it's just simple.